and welcome back to another delicious episode of Shelly's Homemade. And today, guys, we're going to be making some apple walnut jerk chicken. Well, oven roasted apple walnut jerk chicken. For the sauce that we're going to make, you're going to need a bottle of Jamaican jerk seasoning. Get a little closer so you guys can see. Jerk seasoning, that's what you're going to need. Some brown sugar, some Worcestershire sauce, and some apple juice for the sauce. This goes over the chicken when I'm getting ready to put it in the oven. So first thing, and this is my way of making it now. My recipe, my way of making it. So you get your jerk seasoning right into that this whole jar. Whole jar of jerk seasoning. Alright. You get a half a cup of brown sugar in there. And this jar is 10 ounces. Worcestershire sauce. You want a fourth of a cup of Worcestershire sauce, so half of this. Alright, this is the sauce that we're going to be putting in here. I have some apple juice, 100% apple juice. We want a whole cup of apple juice. Because we want that apple flavor to shine. And you just mix this, slowly mix it. Slowly mix. And this is the sauce to get poured all over the chicken. Alright. Just like so. Alright. Now, if you make your own jerk seasoning, you can do that too as well. What I'm going to do, because I want the rest of this out of this jar, I'm going to pour some more into this jar. This is optional. You don't have to do it. But I'm pouring some more in the jar. Just shaking it up just to get, because I paid for it. I'm going to set that there. Pour that right over top of it as well. Alright. When we come back, we're going to cut up some vegetables. So, let's cut up my half a bell pepper that I have here, that I had from a different dish. I'm just going to slice them into strips. Nothing too heavy. Got a half an onion. No, not a whole lot of veggies, just a little bit. Cut these into strips as well, and then one straight down. Alright, our apples. And all of this is going to go down. This is going to make a bed for our chicken. All the chicken is going to suck up all the flavor from the apples, from the onion, and the bell pepper, and the carrots. And the walnuts. Now, if you're allergic to nuts, leave it out. Don't put it in. Just leave it out. So you can use as many apples as you want. I'm using 3. You can use 4 to 5. 3 things for me. I'm just chopping my apples. You can use these for snacking if you like. But yeah, this is just like, yeah, we're gonna add the walnuts as well to this. So and the sugar, because the jerk is plenty hot enough, the apple juice and the brown sugar is going to help with some of that heat and also balance the flavor. Alright, so that's it for my chopping. When we come back, we're going to season our chicken and get it seared. Okay, so let's season the chicken. We have some jerk seasoning here. Since it's a lot of chicken, so about a tablespoon and a half. We got some garlic powder. I have some of this salt, pepper, garlic seasoning. I like using the thyme. We just gonna put in the chicken. Onion powder and some seasoning. Every ingredient that I use is going to be down below in the description box, so feel free to go down there and see the measurements and what I use. Also guys, while you're down there, hit the like, share, and subscribe button. So, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time Shelly uploads some of these delicious videos. Alright, so on here, I'm just going to mix with my hand to get these seasonings mixed into this chicken. Alright. Once they get mixed in, they should be looking something like this. Alright. Alright. Alright, so when I come back, we're going to fry these up. Okay, guys, so let's sear us some chicken. I'm doing skin side down. And preheat your oven to 425 degrees. So I'm going to cook 5 because this is a large pan. So I only have to do 2 batches. Ooh, you can smell that jerk from it just coming up. Smells amazing. Smells absolutely amazing, guys. Alright. Okay, guys, let's do a good flip. Oh, that's a nice sear on that thing. Oh, look at that. That is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. This is what I'm talking about. Yes. Alright, so I'm finished frying these up. Look at that. That is amazing. You can smell the jerk seasoning, everything. It is, and these, by me doing this helps seal in all of the juices and the seasoning to go straight to the bone of this chicken. It's going to be absolutely amazing, guys. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Don't go nowhere. Okay, so we're ready to take this chicken off. Look at that. That is beautiful. Beautiful. It smells so good. You like jerk? chicken. This is a recipe for you guys to get in on it. Get in on it. Get down on it. Ow! Alright. So I'm taking out the last piece. Woo! The last piece, guys. Alright, I'm gonna turn my stove off. All that good stuff. Alright, so let me get this stuff cleared out. This is what your chicken should be looking like. Like this. Now, you can grill this too on the stove and then put it in the oven. I mean, grill this on the grill outside and then put it in the oven, do this stuff. Alright, hold on. So, first thing, remember that when I mixed the apple juice into this jerk to get the stuff on the bottom, we're going to pull this right on the bottom. Right on the bottom. Then we're going to go in with the apples, onions, peppers, just like so. Those carrots that I was talking about, baby carrots. Just like that. Beautiful, colorful, beautiful. That's what I'm talking about. Thyme leaves. Just gonna sprinkle some right on the bottom. Just like that. Alright. Alright. Let's get our chicken in there. Just do this quicker and easier. Just move it over, just like so. Oh, you know what? I've got my walnuts. Right, I keep my walnuts in the freezer so they don't stale on me. I was supposed to put these on the bottom, but I'm just gonna sprinkle them around in here just like so. These are chopped walnuts. You can, you know, use whatever you like. So I'm just going to shift them around in here a little bit. Alright, come into our sauce. Mix it up. Now you can use fresh thyme. I didn't have any fresh thyme, and I actually forgot to get some when I was in the store. So I'm going to use this. I'm just going to use some dry thyme. Alright, just like that. It's nice and covered all over the chicken. I'll take a little apple juice. Just not too much. We're just going to drizzle the top. Put some. Just so just, yeah, just like so. And we're going to get it in the oven. Just look like this. And we're going to get it in the oven. Remember to preheat that oven to 425. I told you that the last time. So I'm just a reminder. We're going to get this in the oven. When it comes out, it's going to be so amazing. Alright guys, so look at this chicken. This is absolutely amazing. The apples are at the bottom. Chicken, oh my goodness. This chicken is so tender. I didn't even mean for the fork to come off. Look at that. My house smells so good. You can smell the apples. You can smell the jerk. You can smell it all. It smells absolutely amazing. Like, look at that. Okay. You get a spice in the back. You get a sweetness from the apple and that brown sugar mixture. Go ahead again. Yeah, you definitely get a kick in the back. It's not overpowering, but it's a light kick. Oh man, it's absolutely delicious. Y'all guys give this a try. Mm. Mm. This is the one. You get a little flavor from the walnut. And then the carrots add some sweetness. The onion, bell pepper, everything contributes to this dish. Make it a must-have dish. So guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always guys, have a wonderful day. I'll see you in the next video.